Do your ankles ever feel weak or wobbly when you walk? Maybe you feel unsteady when you turn, step off a curb, or walk across an uneven surface. If that sounds familiar, stay with me. Today we're doing 3 simple exercises for stronger ankles and better balance, and you only need a sturdy chair for support. And don't skip the last one. It's my favorite because exercise number 1 brings your ankle strength and balance together in one simple movement. Let's start. Exercise number 3, toe raises. Stand behind a sturdy chair and lightly hold the back. Keep your feet about hip-width apart. Now, keeping your heels on the floor, slowly lift your toes and the front of your feet upward. Pause for a moment, then slowly lower them back down. That's 1 repetition. Let's do 10 to 15 repetitions. Keep your knees relaxed and avoid rocking your body backward. This simple movement works the muscles along the front of your lower legs and gives your ankles practice controlling your feet. If you're feeling unsteady, keep both hands on the chair. There's no prize for doing this without support. Control and safety come first. Exercise number 2, heel raises. Now we're moving to the opposite direction. Stay behind your chair with your feet about hip-width apart. Slowly lift both heels off the floor and rise onto the balls of your feet. Hold for 1 second. Then lower your heels slowly back down. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Try not to bounce. The slower you move, the more control you have over the exercise. You should feel your calf muscles working as you rise and lower. And if you need more support, simply use both hands on the chair. Take a short breath, because now we're ready for exercise number 1. Exercise number 1, supported single leg balance. This is the one I want you to take your time with. Stand beside your sturdy chair and place one or both hands on it. Keep your posture tall. Shift your weight gently onto your right leg. When you feel steady, lift your left foot just a little off the floor. You don't need to lift it high. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Then slowly place your foot back down. Switch sides. If standing on one leg feels too difficult, that's completely fine. Keep your fingertips on the chair, or simply practice shifting your weight from one leg to the other. The goal isn't to see how long you can balance. The goal is to practice steady, controlled movement safely. So today you did number 3, toe raises. Number 2, heel raises. Number 1, supported single leg balance. Try these exercises 3 to 4 times a week, as long as they feel comfortable for you. And remember, balance improves with practice, not perfection. If you found this routine helpful, please like and subscribe to Fit with Simplicity for more gentle exercises for seniors over 60. And tell me in the comments, which exercise was hardest for you, number 3, number 2, or number 1?